Social Studies, Chapter 3, Lesson 3, What is the World Like? Learning Target. I will know about different forms of land and water on Earth. Vocabulary. Mountain, the highest kind of land. Hill, land that is not as high as a mountain. Desert, land that is very dry. Ocean, a very large body of water. Lake, water that has land on all sides. River, water that flows toward a lake or an ocean. What is our world like? Take a moment to look at the picture. What do you notice? I see a lake. Remember, lake is water that has land on all sides. I also see a mountain. A mountain is the highest form of land. Other areas of land include deserts and hills. Deserts are very dry areas of land. Hills are land that are not as high as mountains. An ocean is a very large body of water. A river is water that flows toward a lake or an ocean. Earth is made up of land and water. Land and water are part of nature. Places on Earth have things from nature and things people have made. Land. There are many kinds of land. A mountain is the highest kind of land. A hill is not as high as a mountain. A desert is land that is very dry. Draw a line to connect each picture to its name on the text. The first picture shows a lake and a mountain. I know that I am looking for land words, so the word I need to find is mountain. Mountain starts with the letter M. Here it is, mountain. The next picture shows a very dry area of land. This is a desert. Desert starts with the letter D. Here it is, desert. The last picture is hills. Hills are not as high as mountains and starts with the letter H. Can you find the word hill in the text? Here it is, hill. Water. There are different bodies of water. An ocean is a very large body of water. Ocean water is salty. A lake has land on all sides. Lakes are smaller than oceans. A river is long. Rivers flow toward a lake or an ocean. The water in most lakes and rivers is not salty. Draw a line to connect each picture to its name in the text. I'm going to start with the bottom picture. I know that this is a large body of water, so it's probably an ocean. Ocean starts with the letter O. Here's ocean at the top. The middle picture has a long, flowing form of water. This is a river. River starts with the letter R. Can you find the word river? Here it is, river. Our last image at the top must be the word lake. It is a body of water that is completely surrounded by land. Can you find the word lake in the text? It starts with the letter L. Here it is, lake. People make changes. People build things on Earth's land and water. They build bridges over water. They build houses on land. They build places to work and play. People often use things from nature to make these places. Your assignment: create a mural or drawing of different forms of land. Label the different features in your drawing. Or create a book about different forms of land. Write a sentence explaining each page. Hello, first graders, it's Mrs. Williams here. I have been doing the social studies lessons. I just wanted to show you your two options for the assignment this week. Your first option is to draw a mural or create a mural. A mural is a large drawing. Now I've created a large drawing right here, and I've put in some landforms and some features that I see around my world. I have a mountain and I've labeled it, a hill and I've labeled it, a desert. I even included a city. This looks a little bit like Spokane, but not really, because a mural doesn't have to be exact. I have a bridge, which is this brown thing going over the water. I even have a road that continues on. I have a river. Anyway, I've done some landforms, both natural land and water and man-made. So that is one option. You can create a mural and label different features. Your second option for the assignment is to create a book. I made a book and I titled it Forms of Land by Mrs. Williams, and I drew an illustration. And on the first page, I drew out a desert. I labeled my picture, and I wrote, I labeled my drawing, sun, cactus, rock. And I wrote two sentences. You only need to write one, but deserts are dry. You could have stopped there, or I could have stopped there. You could stop there. There is not very much water in a desert. I added a sentence. Hills. Hills are not as tall as mountains. The hills on my cousin's farm grow wheat. So I drew a bunch of hills, and I drew them just as I would see them if I was driving out there now, kind of just starting to show a little bit of green on those brown fields. And these are wheat fields. So I've labeled my drawing, and I've written two sentences with a kind of a caption or a title to my picture. Mountain. I tried to draw Mount Rainier. I'm not a very good illustrator, but I wrote the tallest mountain I have seen is Mount Rainier. Can't wait to see what your books or your murals look like. You have the option of doing one or the other. I hope you have a great day and enjoy noticing the world around you. Bye-bye for now.